Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to make your Steam game start as administrator quickly and easily. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account. Click the login button, enter your username and password, and sign in. After that, go to your library tab at the top of the homepage. This is where all your games are listed. Now, find the game you want to run as administrator. Right-click on it and select Properties. To complete the setup, go to the Installed Files tab and click Browse. This opens the folder where the game files are stored. In that folder, locate the game's application file, usually ending in .exe. Right-click it and choose Properties again. Then, click the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Hit Apply and then OK. And that's it. Your game will now launch with administrator rights every time, helping avoid permission issues and improving performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.